Highly flexible couplings damp the harmful vibrations in propulsion systems. This is achieved through the use of elastomers, that's to say rubber. Rubber is obtained from latex, the caoutchouc milk from rubber trees. The generated natural caoutchouc has viscoelastic properties. To produce elastic rubber from caoutchouc, many other ingredients, such as sulfur, soot, softeners, processing aids and aging protection agents, are added to the mixture. The Vulkan experts develop the ideal recipe depending on the desired product characteristic. The recipe precisely prescribes how much of the individual component must be used in each case. However, the rubber mixture produced at this stage cannot be used because the rubber is not dimensionally stable. An additional process step is necessary: vulcanization of the mixture. It is only through vulcanization, that is, due to the precise control of time, temperature and pressure, that the required dimensional stable product characteristics are archived. The same methods are executed for silicone mixtures. The rheometer helps in the development of the optimal rubber mixture. It is a miniature vulcanization process. The mixture is vulcanized under pressure and temperature between two oscillating plates. From the measured torque, shear tension, elongation, and shear modulus are determined. These values are characteristic for the respective mixture and determine the product properties of the lot. The outstanding property of rubber is its incredible elasticity. The necessary shore hardness of the elastomer is determined depending on the requirement of the coupling. A tensile test records the stress-strain curve, whereby the different mixtures are characterized. Mixtures made from the same components but from different recipes have very different characteristics. Vulkan has a very high number of test benches in order to test the couplings under extreme loads and conditions. Through analyzation of the test specimens, conclusions can be made concerning the behavior of larger couplings. For example, at the paraboloid test bench, the highest elongations occur on the surface of the smallest cross-section. Cracks occur after time due to the dynamic load. Based on trials like this, different mixtures and properties are compared to each other. In this manner, the coupling configuration is permanently optimized to the customer's advantage. Due to many years of experience and state-of-the-art methods, Vulkan knows precisely which mixing ingredients, what recipe, and what vulcanization process is required in order to produce the optimal product for the customer and his applications.